Okay, so we have the question number 24, the transition metal complex that can have all isomers, geometric linkage and ionization. So for geometric, we got to choose complexes that have the form Ma4B2, because that means we can have both the cis and trans isomers over here, and we would expect when the B donors are 180 degrees apart, then we have trans, and when they are having an angle of 90, then there are cis isomers. Now, since they have said also linkage, so we have to look for an ambient linker. So that means we need to have something like a thiocyanate. So we can see over here that there are only two such options in which we are having this thiocyanate. Now they have said also it should show ionization isomerism. That means we need two types of ions. As we can see in D, the ligands that are inside are neutral and there are no ions over here. It is neither NH3 neither H2 are ions. So obviously the option that should be showing three types of isomerism is going to be A. So that is the logic behind it. Now I'm going to go for the full solution of this. So now we have been given something like an Ma4B2C. Okay, so we are defining that over here A is the NH3 ligand and B over here is obviously Br, and C over here is SCN, which is the ambient ligand. So for geometrical isomerism, we will say the options will look like something like this. Okay, because SCN is unipositive, so the complex will be positively charged. And for the so this is trans, and we are expecting the cis to look something like this. Okay, that should be cis. And now about ionization isomerism, we will say it is going to be Ma4B2C. So its ionization isomer will be Ma4BCB. Okay, so these are, we would like to say these are the geometrical isomers. These are, we'd like to say, the ionization isomers. And now, since we have called, or we can call this to be as MNH3 whole 4 Br2 SCN, and the other one as MNH4 Br SCNBr. Okay, so the linkage isomerism or isomer for this guy would be M, NH4, Br, NCS, Br. So we would like to say that in this one the S is linked and in this one the N is linked. Okay, so these are now showing linkage isomerism, okay, which is this guy and that guy. Okay, let's